You are going to love the 2020 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Your new ride is just a phone call away.